and our new product has arrived. That's Wings earbuds. So let's continue with it. So hello guys, this is our new product, which is Wings earbuds. So I will show you what's inside the box. So there you can see, this is what's inside. That's Phantom gaming buds. Okay, so let's open. Okay, and so this is what you will get, and let's open it. Okay, what an amazing ones. Okay. Oh, okay. See this one. This is glowing. Oh, this one even glows. See? Can you see? Wow. Amazing. So let's see what's more inside. And this is of no use. Okay, this is what we have. This is a cable, a C-type cable which charges these buds. And anything inside? Yes, there's something more inside. See, we have got 2 pairs of buds. So let's keep them up. And let's see what's more inside. Oh, this is a manual. Oh, it's of no use for us. And this is an warranty claiming. So let's keep all of them. It's of no use to us.
Let's come to the build quality. That it's a purely plastic made, and it's quite good quality. They have it's quite the cover is quite good, right? And here's the earphone slot. Here you can. It's purely like good. It's good, right? These two are glowing LEDs here, and this side like quite good. You can see into night picture. You have seen, right? Okay, and there is a electronics department logo, that is okay. And we have type C here, that is LED light here, charging indicator. Here is Wings branding. Let's come to the earphones. That is, yeah, you can see. Okay, light is glowing there. After connecting it to the port mode. Okay, and let's come take another. That it is also glowing, right? You see? Yeah. Okay.
Let's keep them. So I'll show you how it's paired and how it's. So let's take them out. Okay. And this phone which I have, my iPhone 6 is. So I'll connect them with it. I'll show you. See, it's not working.
Right.
Okay. Wings Phantom. Its name is Wings Phantom. See.
Did you focus?
Yes. So it has been connected.
Yeah, it's visible, right? Yeah, it's
Wings
visible.
Phantom is connected. So let's play some song. Okay, now I'll wear my earbuds. Let's connect both of them in my ears and then play some song with YouTube. So, which song will you like to hear it? Hmm. Okay, I'll listen more Java. Okay. Wow, amazing. I can hear no one inside. Take this. Amazing, amazing. It's amazing. So I would like you all to hear this music. Even though you can hear or not, but just listen to
Just comment it, okay?
Let's have some mic test. I'll plug it in my ears. So now, hello everyone. So can you hear me properly? Please comment how it cancels out its background noise and how well it can catch my noise. Let's comment. And guys, please also comment that how it looks like outside. So is it looking good? Please comment out. So guys, I am receiving a call, so I will receive the call free. Hello. Hello. This is the song I am playing. I try to stop it. Okay? I just hit a first thing. And the left one decreases the volume. So let's try with the two taps. It stops. Tap, okay, it's playing. And let's try from the right one. Okay, it's increasing the volume, and I'll now do double taps, and it stopped the song as you can see here. So I would like to say you all that it also receives the calls on double taps, but its sound quality is quite awesome, guys. I will totally recommend you to go for this if you recommend to play games with it. It cancels the outside noise and just gives a full bass noise. You can hear no one's outside from you. So if your mom is shouting from outside for playing too much of games, you will not be able to hear and you will get beaten.